Now, multiplying a matrix by a scalar. When multiplying a matrix by a number, simply multiply each element in the matrix by that number. Now, when you're saying multiplying a matrix by a scalar, what you're saying is that you're multiplying the matrix by a number. It is not matrix multiplication. You're not multiplying a matrix by a matrix. You're simply multiplying a matrix by a number. And when you're multiplying a matrix by a number, you simply multiply every element in the matrix by that number. So for example, example 2 says A is the matrix minus 2, 1, 3, 0. We're to determine the matrix that is 3 times the matrix A. So 3 times the matrix A means 3 multiplied by A. Guys, whenever you multiply a matrix by a number, you simply multiply every element in the matrix by that number. So 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 0 is 0. So this is the matrix 3A. Please complete example 2. Type your answers in the chat. All right, so example 2 says minus 2A. So this is minus 2 multiplied by A, which is minus 2, 1, 3, 0. So remember, whenever you multiply a number by whenever you multiply a matrix by a number, you simply multiply all elements in the matrix by the number. So this is going to be minus 2 times minus 2, which is positive 4. A negative times a negative is a positive. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. A negative times a positive is a negative. Minus 2 times 0 is 0. So whenever you're multiplying a matrix by a number, you simply multiply all elements in the matrix by the number. In example 3, we're told that B is the matrix minus 3, 6, 2, minus 7, and we're to determine the matrix 1/3 B. So 1/3 B would be 1/3 of minus 3, 6, 2, minus 7. So we're going to multiply every element in the matrix by 1/3. But guys, multiplying by 1/3 is the same as saying divide by 3. Multiplying by 1/3 is the same as saying divide by 3. So this is minus 3 divide by 3, 6 divide by 3, 2 divide by 3, and minus 7 divide by 3. So the final answer is minus 1, 2, 2/3, and minus 7/3. Final answer is minus 1, 2, 2/3, and minus 7/3. Remember, multiplying by 1/3 is the same as saying divide by 3. Example 4. So in example 4, we have the matrix P and the matrix Q, and we're asked to determine what is the matrix. We're asked to determine matrix 2P minus Q. So we have 2P minus Q This is 2 times P, 1 minus 1, 3, 2, 4, minus Q, 5, 5, 3, minus 2, 6. So let's multiply by 2 first. 2 times minus 1, minus 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 2s, 4. 2 4s, 8. So this is 2P. And from that, we're subtracting Q. Q, we have 5, 3, minus 2, 6. So we're going to subtract corresponding elements which are in the same position. So it's minus 2, minus 5, 6, minus 3, 4, minus 2, which is the same as saying 4 plus 2, and 8 minus 6. The final answer here is minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. If the signs are the same, add and keep the sign. 6 minus 3 is 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. All right. So that is what you get when you multiply P by 2 and then take away matrix